Well, today's segment is all about threads. So we're going to have some questions about threads and threads left. And I will answer all these questions for you. Hopefully that will answer all your concerns. And if you have any questions, hit me back. Short threads and there is longer threads. The short threads have an advantage, which is very more comfortable, can be done by nurses and nurse practitioners. But they don't last long. They can help your skin to look more glowy, but they don't create the lift what you require. The longer threads are the ones which I use and some other cosmetic physicians do. And they normally goes from where the area you want it to be left and goes all the way to the scalp to anchor it there, so it can hold on the skin and also have a bit of cones inside which help the collagen stimulation. So normally lasts for 2-3 years. Yes, there is in the thread lefts, the long ones, they may have a bit of bruising because it goes in a certain layer of the skin and it goes all the way crossing certain areas where his veins and arteries could be there, and he may hurt one, which doesn't cause a permanent issue, but it may cause a bruise. We work with that with some ice, with some creams to help the bruising to settle down, but I think this is the main concern for patients normally when they get the thread lifts is the bruising. Besides that, I think you may have to lie down on your back for 5 days, not in your sides, because of the threads, you want to cut them, and that can be a little bit uncomfortable. But yeah, it should be straightforward. One, because we do it all the time. Two, because we know where to anchor it and where we take it to help that create that lift. Third, because we're not there just to sell you the threads. If you're not a good candidate, we'll tell you you're not a good candidate. If you are a good candidate and you don't need 5 threads, we'll tell you you need only 2 threads or even 1 thread. We've done it before, just 1 thread. And it's in our social media. So we're there just to help you to feel and look better. It's not about getting as much money out of you. Thread lifts last for the ones we use, which is the long threads, will last about 2 to 3 years. Yeah, that's actually my favorite treatment is always combining thread lifts and other injectables, especially the one which has collagen stimulator as well. So I like to do that mix of the cheeky cheeks, what I do by Dr. Mike, to create the volume in the cheeks and also to hold and regenerate collagen. And 3 months after, I put the threads on, which help us to use less numbers of threads. So instead of using the box of threads of 5, we may end up just using 2 ml of those type of injectables, and then we use 3 threads for the lower face. So combining the treatment is a new trend, and I think it gives the best outcome and the best results.